Do you wish to record the screen of your computer and don't want to pay for it, but don't know how to do this? No worries. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to record your screen both on Windows and Mac using two free and powerful tools. Whether you are creating tutorials, capturing gameplay, or preserving online content, this will provide you with the necessary steps to achieve the high quality screen recording. So let's get started. Hello guys, hope you're doing well. This is Azam Gill and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. First, we'll start with Mac OS. Apple provides a built-in application called QuickTime Player that offers straightforward screen recording capabilities without the need of any additional software. So navigate to your applications folder and open QuickTime Player. In the menu bar, click on File and select New Screen Recording. A screen recording window will appear. Before starting, click the arrow next to the red record button to access recording options. For example, select your preferred audio input if you wish to include narration or external audio, or other options could be enabling mouse clicks if you want mouse clicks to be highlighted during the recording. You can start the recording by clicking the record button. When you are done, simply click the stop button in the menu bar at the top of your screen. Or what you can do is press Command plus Control plus Escape and the recording will automatically stop. If you are happy with the recording, you can save this. After stopping the recording, a preview of your recording will appear. To save it, click on File in the menu bar, select Save, enter a file name and choose your desired location. So QuickTime Player offers a simple and efficient method for screen recording on Mac. For users seeking more advanced features and customization options or want to record the Windows screen, OBS Studio is available for both Mac and Windows. So let's explore how to set up and use OBS. OBS Studio is a free open source application that provides comprehensive tools for screen recording and live streaming, offering a versatile solution for users. Let's walk through the installation and setup process. We'll simply download the desired version and install it. Open your web browser and navigate to the official OBS Studio website. I'll search on Google OBS Studio download. To download the installer, click on the desired version. I am going to click on the Mac version, but if you are on Windows, click on the Windows one. But you don't need to worry at all because the process is identical for both platforms. Once downloaded, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Now, launch OBS Studio. Upon first launch, you may be prompted to run the auto configuration wizard. In the Scenes box at the bottom left, click the plus button to add a new scene. Name it appropriately, such as screen recording. Then, in the Sources box, click the plus button and select Display Capture. Name it such as Main Display. In the Audio Mixer section, ensure desktop audio is active to capture system sounds. To include microphone input, ensure mic/aux is active. Click on the gear icon next to each source to adjust properties and set the correct devices. Set recording path. Click on the settings in the bottom right corner. Navigate to the output tab under Recording Path, choose your desired save location for the recordings. Now, before starting the recording, make sure the screen size, resolution, and everything else is properly set up. If they are, you can start recording your screen. Click Start Recording in the bottom right corner. Perform the actions you wish to capture on your screen, and once you are done with everything, you can stop the recording by simply clicking Stop Recording option. Your recordings will be saved in the location specified earlier. Now, summarizing all of this, both QuickTime Player and OBS Studio offer free, robust solutions for screen recording on Mac and Windows platforms, respectively. QuickTime Player provides a user-friendly interface and a straightforward recordings, but it is only available for Mac, while OBS Studio delivers advanced features and customization options suitable for more complex recording needs and works both on Mac as well as on Windows. So on Mac, we have two software. One is built-in and one we can download. But for Windows users, unfortunately, we do not have any built-in software. Now, by following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can effectively capture high-quality screen recording tailored to your specific requirements. If you found this guide helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel for more in-depth tutorials and tech insights. If you have any questions or require further clarifications, feel free to comment down below. For now, Azam Gill is signing off. See you in the next video. Until then, peace.